Hello everyone, my name is Louis Ning Chang, and today's video is gonna be about the landscape rainbow oil painting. This should be part let's see, it should be part 5, how to paint a house. And this the house I'm gonna be working on today. I have in this painting, within this whole painting, I have many houses in the one painting. But keep in mind, if I want you the guys to see, I might as well just show you, just paint portion of it and show you, and when you get to the 8th video, look at the whole painting. So it's gonna be one house or many houses in this painting, but you're gonna see in the end video 8, on the 8th video of this series. Now, the colors I'm using, this is what we call underpainting. And you see orange and blue, so most likely I'm concentrating on orange and blue. I already mixed my colors already, so I'm going to use the colors I'm using. I think should be cadmium yellow and crimson red, which can be the orange and mixed. And for the blue, we'll see, maybe a cobalt blue, maybe. Okay, so what you do is paint. Well, in terms of color temperature, I did let's say, okay, I added more yellow to the orange because in terms of color temperature, supposed to be, on the warmer side, because we're getting toward to the foreground. So that's why I did it that way. And you see over here, because what I'm gonna do is paint this orange, and the window's gonna be black. Okay, and then when I finish painting the windows black, then what I'm gonna do is paint hold on. Paint the windows black. I kind of see what I'm at here. Okay. When I paint the window black, let it dry, and then I'm gonna go ahead and see what I'm gonna do. Yes. When it's black, and then let it dry, and then add the little white little crosses like for the windows. So that's something you're gonna see. But for now, I'm just adding the orange for now. Okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead and do a time lapse right now. Okay, so now I'm gonna make the, so you see this light side over here, because wherever it's in the front, it's gonna be lighter, and wherever it's in the other side, it's gonna be darker in terms of the shadows. So this is kind of cylinder. So this is gonna be like a more soft edges around here because it's a round shape. Over here it's very sharp edges and it'll be darker. So I made the orange a little bit darker just to get this effect going. And so, you see that? A little bit darker. I might add some blue into it if I feel that I'm not feeling this. Maybe I need to add some blue because it's gonna be, blue is a complement of orange. So I'm gonna make this a little bit darker. Probably that could be the reason, because I think I need to make this darker. Add a little blue into it. Most likely cobalt blue. Okay, right now I'm gonna start using, you notice that what I did with the orange, I had, let's see, was it crimson, cadmium yellow, and some 50-year-old blue, and because I used a complement, which is in blue, and darkening the little shadows here. You see the soft edges here and hard edges here, because it actually is sharp like a box and always around it. You understand? So that way, over here you gotta be a little bit softer with the edges. Blending in gracefully. Now, The roof is gonna paint. We're gonna use like a little bit. I'm gonna use a little bit like phthalo blue and crimson to warm it up. To warm up the blue, and white will be added. Okay. So I'm gonna do here. Just start painting the roof. Okay, this is the result of the house I created from the last video and this video. Okay. Over here I did like we have a perfume blue with red and white, and if did it right in like over here, right in the top of the roof, and orange was I think crimson and cadmium yellow. So give it like orange. Actually, I use orange. I use those two colors to make the colors. Okay. Now you notice that I did the window. I actually had to let the roof dry and the windows dry because I painted it black before. So I did after this all was all completely dry. Then I added the details from the roof and also the windows. So that's it so far. There's gonna be more. I think parts. This is gonna be part 6 on the next video. The painting's not done yet. It's a little glimpse of the next house next to it, so just take a good look. There'll be more detail later on. Excuse me. If you like this video, please subscribe. Stay tuned, there'll be more to come. Thanks for watching. My name is Louis Ning Chong. Thanks for watching.